ch, j, j, ear. Perfect. So let us move to the exam. Here, first example is chok. CHOKS. Chok. Chok. Yeah. Chok. Chok mean eye. Yes. Next one is choto. 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 Cho. Okay. I give it. Can you please repeat like cho, like choto. Cho. Cho. Like cho. Yes. Yes, perfect. First one. Next one, let us move on. It is jaw. Jol. Jol. Jaw. Jol. It's mean water. Yes, in Bangladesh we use it pani. Like this is like pani. Like it is called pani. Yes, that's it. Perfect. And next one is cha. Chor. Yes. Jaw, chor, jaw, chor. Yes, perfect. It's mean in English stove. Yes. Okay. And last one is nan. Nan. Yan. Yan mean rare sound. It is very rare. Yan. Or we use this sound very rare in Bengali. Like we mostly use in we mostly don't use this sound, but it is rare little bit. Yan. Yan mean rare sound. So now we make a sentence with this word. Chok. Chok. We make a sentence. Where is your eye? Tomar chok kothay. Where mean that we read before. Where mean kothay. Tomar chok kothay. Where is your eyes? Are you hearing? Okay. I repeat it again. Yes. We read first where. Where mean kothay. So here, where is your eyes? Tomar chok kothay. Tomar chok kothay. Where is your eyes? Yes. It's mean where is your eyes. Where mean kothay is your eye. Your eye mean tomar chok. Your eye tomar chok. Your মানে তোমার. Yeah. Your mean তোমার. Chok mean eyes. Where is your eye? Yeah. Perfect. So let us move to the next one. It is choto. Choto. Yeah. Yes. Choto. Yes. So I make a sentence with this one. I have a small sister. আমার একজন ছোট বোন আছে. I have small sister. আমার ছোট বোন আছে. I mean আমার, have mean আছে. I have a small sister. আমার ছোট বোন আছে. Yes, আছে ছোট বোন. Yes. আর if we say for ourselves, then আছি. আমি খেলাতে আছি. For myself we use si like আছি. Or for other we use ছে আছে. Yes. I have a small sister. আমার একজন ছোট বোন আছে. Or you can also say আমার ছোট বোন আছে. Yes. A mean একজন. We use a. I have a pen. We mostly use a. Someone we also use, but mostly use a sound. I have a pen. আমার একটা কলম আছে. একটা it is for if we say sometimes we use for person একজন, or একটা that we use for things like একটি or একটা it is for things. একজন is for person. Yes. Okay. Perfect. So let us move forward. This is the next one. It is jol. Jol mean pani. We used pani. Okay. We'll use for Bangladesh pani. We used in Bangladesh it's pani. Yes. Okay. I want to drink water. আমি পানি খেতে চাই. আমি পানি খেতে চাই. It is in I mean আমি, want mean চাই. I want to drink. Yes, খেতে. Drink mean খেতে. I want to drink water. Water mean পানি. আমি পানি খেতে চাই. I want to drink water. I want. Yes, I mean আমি. Want mean চাই. Yes. It's mean in English I want mean আমি চাই. I want আমি চাই to drink. Yes, I want আমি চাই. You want mean তুমি চাও. You want তুমি চাও. I want আমি চাই. You want তুমি চাও. Do you understand? He want সে চায়. I want to drink water. আমি পানি খেতে চাই. Want mean চাওয়া. Okay, perfect.